Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of AstroSage AI. In 2011, we launched AstroSage Kundli, the world's most advanced astrology app, and that too for free. Millions learned astrology through it. And now, in 2025, we bring to you Kundli AI, blending the world of AI and astrology. The biggest change in the world of astrology beyond anyone's imagination. So, are you ready to look at the biggest innovation? I'll first begin with showing you its top feature. Let's start with the quickest way to create a Kundli. Gone are the days when we had to type in so many details such as name, date, time, place, time zone, latitude, longitude, DST for international locations, and a lot more to create a Kundli. With Kundli AI, creating a Kundli is going to be super easy. Here, I am going to show you the steps to create a Kundli through our innovation Kundli AI. Step number 1. Just click on the Kundli AI icon. 2. You will see an option to either type or paste your birth details. You can either copy the details that you have to add in here or type them yourself. Here, I am pasting the information that I have. So once done, I'm going to press this Get Horoscope button and my Kundli is ready. Easy, isn't it? Now, the most exciting feature of all. Talk to your Kundli. Yes, you heard me right. You can now talk to your Kundli, answering and uncovering life's deepest secret. Now that we have created our Kundli, let's dive deeper and talk to our Kundli like we would chat with our friend or maybe an astrologer. Click on Chat with Lagna Kundli. You will see several prompts. However, you can ask any question that you want. Ask information related to your name or say what all houses is your Saturn aspecting, whether your sun is debilitated or not. You are sure to get quick answers. Not just this, you can explore other Kundli too. You can check the Navmansh Kundli, Chandra Kundli, the Chalit Kundli or the Astak Varga. Be it knowing about the planets or sublords of your houses in the Kundli or anything else, all you have to do is just ask. You will get an instant answer each and every time. Like here, I had asked about the strongest planet in Astak Varga. Likewise, you can ask whatever comes to your mind. Let it be the easiest or the hardest thing you would want to know about your Kundli. All you have to do is just ask. Now, moving towards the most exclusive feature of all, Kundli on your Ungli. Just touch any house of your Kundli and get extreme information about it. And get all the details instant. Here's a fun way to read your Kundli. Just use your Ungli. Whether it's the Lagna Kundli, Chandra Kundli, Krishnamurti Padati or Lal Kitab, you can touch any house to reveal its secrets. See, Kundli AI is revealing deep insights of the Kundli itself with just one touch of mind. So now, with just a tap, you can uncover the deepest meaning of your Kundli. Amazing, isn't it? Exalted, debilitate, retrograde, planetary aspects, current dasha, antardasha. Now the Kundli will tell you everything. How? Let me show you. First, create your Kundli, then start asking questions. For example, right now I want to know what houses is my Jupiter aspecting. So I'll click on it and I'll get my answer. You can ask as many questions as you want and you are sure to get an answer of each one right away. With Kundli AI, talk to your Kundli whenever and wherever you want to enrich your knowledge. Want to learn KP astrology? No need to spend money. Just use the KP feature at Kundli AI. Talk to the Kundli by learning KP. Let me show you how the KP feature works. Moving to the KP section where you can either chat with the Kundli to learn KP astrology or just like me, you can tap on any house. See, I touched the 5th house and I got all the information related to that house I needed to know about. You can do this for any house. This way you can analyze, understand and learn KP astrology whenever and wherever you want. Amazing, isn't it? Why stop at KP? You can learn Lal Kitab, Varshful and Gemini astrology and much more all for free from the ultimate Kundli AI. Here, let me show you how you can learn different branches of astrology through Kundli AI. You can go to the KP feature, the Lal Kitab or say Gemini astrology. Now suppose I want to learn about Karakanj or say Swansh. We can gather all the information right at our fingertips from Kundli AI. Whether I want to learn Karakanj, Swansh, Krishnamurti Padati, Lal Kitab or say any other branch of astrology, it is now possible with Kundli AI. Also, if you are a professional astrologer, with Kundli AI, you will be able to make the most informed and accurate decisions. Still not enough? Want to know if you have Sade Sati, Mangal Dosh or Raj Yoga in your Kundli? Find it out now with Kundli AI. How so? Let me calm your curious mind.
We have got two ways to find the information we want. One is to ask direct question and second is use our Kundli on the Kundli. For example, I want to check if I have Manglik dosh in my Kundli or not. Now, must I tell you, this is a very common question that we get on our app regularly. Most of our users want to know about Manglik dosh, whether they have it in their Kundli or not. So yeah, you see, while I was conversing with you, I got my answer to the question.
Don't just ask question, cross question, ask follow-up question, resolve all your confusions.
For example, if you ask about Manglik dosh, you can ask follow-up questions. Which house is Mars in? Is the placement of Mars in your Kundli auspicious for you or not? And many other related questions. Cross-questioning your Kundli will always help you learn better. With Kundli AI, you will not only be able to learn astrology yourself, but you will always be able to assist others confidently too.
Dive deep into the world of astrology, learn everything, understand everything, only and only with Kundli AI.
Not just Kundli, with our innovation, you can even talk to the Kundli Milan feature or widely recognized as horoscope matching feature over our app. See, here I have added the details of a couple and now you can see that we have received their compatibility report. However, I want to know more about their connection. Say how deep is it, or can they marry each other with these many guns matching, or how beautiful their marriage life is going to be, or maybe some other question. I am sure to get an answer of each one through the Kundli Milan feature. Now, this is not only going to inform you about your connection in depth with your partner, but it will also strengthen your relationship.
Kundli AI is a game changer for everyone, including professional astrologers, astrology lovers, and students, making it easier than ever to understand and interact with the Kundli. With Kundli AI, the world is sure going to change. In 2001, we launched Mobile Kundli. In 2003, astrosage.com. In 2011, Astrosage Kundli. And now in 2025, AI astrologers and Kundli AI. Together, we will keep getting better and improving the world of astrology. We sincerely hope that you will love interacting with your Kundli through Kundli AI and love comprehending your horoscope. Thank you, everyone.